This is the revision guided meditation that's specifically for improving or repairing relationships. Let's start by getting into a deeper state of relaxation by beginning to take a deep breath in through your nose. And exhale slowly through your mouth. We'll do it a few more times. Deep breath in. And breathe out. Deep breath in. And breathe out. In your mind, I want you to think of the unwanted event that has happened in your relationship that stings in your heart and that you want to change. I will give you a moment to visualize the unwanted event. Start thinking about it now. Now, you will be creating a scene that has a new ending of how you wanted the undesired event to have rather unfolded. In other words, how would you have wanted it to go? Keep the scene for a maximum of 10 seconds so it can really impress in your subconscious mind. I'll now give you 45 seconds to come up with a visualization that represents your preferred outcome before we begin looping it. The time is up. The final part of this meditation is to loop the scene that you have created, the scene of the desired outcome of what you would have wanted to happen. I'll give you about 2 minutes in silence to replay your scene on your own. In between each time you loop the scene, take a deep breath in and out before you begin to loop the scene again. 2 minutes starts now. Before we conclude this meditation, I want to end it with giving you time to visualize the relationship that you have in mind being so blissful. You can also include some affirmations that you can come up with, such as, I have the most beautiful relationship with, and you can say the name, or our relationship is so easy. I'll give you 1 minute of silence to visualize, and if you want to affirm on your own. The time is up. I want you to take one final deep breath in and breathe out. I intend that you feel better than you did when you first began this meditation. You may need to do this meditation a few more times if you're finding that your mind is still thinking about the undesired outcome. Until next time, this is Blissful Affirming. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and come back to share your revision success stories in the comment section below.